Hey guys, what's up? In the short tutorial video I will show you a simple fix for the search bar missing on Google Chrome issue. So let's get started. Now as you can see, I'm on a home screen of google.com in my Google Chrome web browser, and there is that search bar here so that I may use it. But if you don't see that search bar, guys, there's a simple fix for this. All you need to do is head over to your browser settings. To do that, here on Google Chrome, click on these three dots in the top right corner and select settings from that drop down menu. And inside your browser settings, take a look at that panel here to the left and head over to the search engine section. And here, guys, you may switch from Google to another search engine by clicking on the change button here and by selecting your preferred search engine. Changing your search engine may cause that issue, but it also may solve it or fix it. So simply switch from Google to another search engine and then back to Google again if you'd like to use the Google search bar here on your home screen of Google Chrome. And that's it, guys. If I open Google Chrome in a new tab, the search bar here will be visible. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.